daily vlog number 2 or 3, something like that. I don't know. We came to get ice cream and walk around Ikea a little bit. We're bored. There's nothing to do. We're gonna go inside, see what they got. Maybe they got like a minimalistic desk setup on sale or something that I could grab for like 20 bucks.
This is nice. This one's cute. Like if I had a house, I would get this one.
I don't.
Yeah. This makes into a bed.
No, don't. It's just
Yes,
a
it
storage.
does.
It's just storage.
Something like this.
This gives me like New York studio vibes. It says our lowest price, but I remember buying these tables for like $9 like 20 years ago. So does that mean the price never went lower than that? I mean, just technically the sign wouldn't be lying then, right? Here's the sofa beds. Hey, all that time for no reason. These are all the sofa beds. Ball carp. See guys, my dream is to have something like this with all the books, with a Mona Lisa, and then with the clocks for Stockholm, London, and Seoul. This is my dream. Right. There's the minimalist desk, but it's $200.
There's a minimalist thing for $16, but it's too low.
Very interesting. The problem is this one has 2 of them stacked on each other. I mean, it would be awesome to find something in here for my PlayStation and my monitor. Me and my cousin David has been killing it on Apex. We've been getting like 15 kill wins, 12 kill wins. I think the most we ever got was an 18 kill win. So pretty sure if I hook up the monitor, we could get those more often than not. Just don't have nowhere to put my monitor, so. We didn't come to Ikea for that reason. I'm just trying to find that while I'm here. Just throwing that out there. This is $20? Wow. That is pretty nice. Lena, there's the thing we bought. And then we gave it back like 2 years later. That's too big. It's too big and it's too much. Well, these desks are too expensive. I don't think I would be able to use any of these. What little desk?
$40.
The Facito. The Vitzo. I don't know how to pronounce that. This chair would be so comfortable. This chair would be so comfortable. Hey everyone, how are you people? Welcome to Lena's Kitchen. Today we got a pot of chicken pot pie. Or you don't cook chicken pot pie.
We were here for the taste test.
How did I do? Did good?
Better than me.
We were supposed to make a YouTube channel for Lena called Lena's Kitchen or something. Or no, what was it supposed to be called? Lena Cuisina. Never did it. Maybe one day. Ooh. This is nice. What do you think of this one, Lena? What are you talking about? Oh my God. There's a couch next to the fridge. How dare you say that's corny? This is to Walnut. That's where we was earlier. It says back to.
Oh.
Could you imagine buying this table? And when everybody comes over to say, how much you gave on this table? Oh, we gave $20. Cookie wise, it say $139 on there.
Tell me what time it is.
Lena's saying we wouldn't need a dresser. I don't know, like, would I want to bend down like this to get socks? Ew.
That's too low.
The need in Leroy is not too low. All right, maybe it is. You ever get a bed that makes you want to say, Godnit ak savgat? I mean, don't get me wrong. Falling from here to here, I wouldn't consider it safe.
Yeah, but look, she can't.
No,
roll.
I know. I'm just saying the height wise. I'm not talking
Roll
about this.
here.
This, like, oh, this is great. And I would get like a little adapter or a piece of wood and block this off like this, right? So now if the kids try to roll off like this, if they try to come off, it won't work because they'll stop. Yeah, you see, I would get this one and put the head to sleep this way. See, this one's not for kids. This one's for like me. Look at, there's a queen size bed on top. Or a full, whatever. Boy, it's the same thing they had at the front of the store when you walk in. So this is like when you walk into the fun parts of the store. So we couldn't find nothing. We did find a few things that we need for the house, but like nothing that I need. So our last chance is to go downstairs and look at the clearance aisle, where usually they have something that was broken or chipped.
Could you paint this?
No.
Just a little piece.
I'm going for the cinnamon bun. Lena gets to have ice cream. I get to have something too. Hello. Can I get a Cinnabon?
One Cinnabon?
One Cinnabon, please. With extra icing. Thank you. Thank you. So it's burning hot in my car right now. I'm guessing this is not cold anymore, which is unfortunate. Really wanted a cold water with my Cinnabon. So I was on a phone call. I didn't get to record my reaction of the first bite of the Cinnabon, so I'll give you guys a second bite reaction. I mean, the truth tastes like $1 Cinnabon. Would I get it again if I was ever at Ikea again and I didn't have dessert that day? Yeah.
That's good.
But I would never like say, guys, I gotta go to Ikea to get that Cinnabon. No, I wouldn't do that. That's gonna be it for this vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked hanging out with me and Lena today in Ikea. Subscribe if you guys want to hang out with us some more. I'm gonna have a lot more daily vlogs coming soon. So peace out, stay safe, God bless. I'll Cinnabon y'all later.